In this tutorial, I'll show you how to show or hide multiple fields in Jotform using conditional logic. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, open the form you want to edit by clicking Edit Form. In the Form Builder, click the Settings tab, then select Conditions from the left menu. Click Show Hide field to create a new condition. In the IF section, choose the question that will trigger the condition. Next, select the condition such as is equal to and choose or enter the value that should trigger the action. In the DO section, select Show Multiple if you want several fields to appear, or Hide Multiple if you want them to disappear. Click the field selection box and choose all the fields you want to include in the rule. You can select as many fields as needed. Once you finish setting up the condition, click Save. To make sure everything works correctly, click Preview and test the form by selecting the trigger option. The selected fields will automatically show or hide based on the condition you created. That's how to show or hide multiple fields in Jotform. Thanks for watching.